Does anybody else love a good car accessory? Like, you just love to make your car feel like you and cute and fun. A lot of people do. We're going to talk about how you can actually create car accessories, make a car accessories brand, start a business, and make a lot of money from doing this. Because this summer, people are going to be in their cars. They're going on road trips, or shoot, summer, fall, winter, spring. We stay in our cars. And if you live in a place like me, I live in Atlanta, the traffic is always a thing. So I want my car to feel cute. If you don't already have a Printify account, comment Printify. I will send you my link. If you've been subscribed, you've been a part of my family over here, you know you're supposed to have a Printify account. Please stop playing with me, okay? Log into your Printify account and follow along with what I'm doing. Now, you can sell car accessories on Etsy, Shopify, TikTok Shop, Amazon, or even a Printify pop-up store. So if you don't have a big budget today, the Printify pop-up store or maybe Etsy is going to be your bestie, all right? So let's start by going to catalog. And then you see how they have everything like set out for you. What's under home and living? Is it there? Is it there? And I purposely did not look at this beforehand because I wanted to show you how easy it is, even if you don't know exactly where it is, to find and create products using Printify. Okay, let's look under accessories. Boom. Car accessories. Okay, let's look and see what we have. We got car magnets. That can be a brand all on its own, all right? People love to represent who they are with a good magnet. We have a generic brand. So I've always wanted to do that and put like girl plus guy in the front of my car, but then I was like, if people know it's me, maybe I shouldn't do that. You can do the metal license plate frame. That's going to be really cute. Bumper stickers. We have a car coaster. Hold on now. Car mats. Car air fresheners. Okay, so as you can see, we got sunshades. So one of these things can be a brand all on its own. So having all of these options are really cute and really fun. I'm going to create a car magnet since it's a bestseller. Let's just do that today. All right, start designing. And the plus sign is where you're going to hit to actually design. And I'm gonna look to see what I already have in my library. You can do a text design, you can use AI, you can use a logo you already have, or you can create one in Canva, or you can hire somebody to do it. You got lots of options here. I'm just going to use a logo that I have already. Let's use Girl Plus Guide since we're here. And then when you go to variants, that's going to change your background color. So I'm going to change it. You know, I love pink. So let's change it. Boom. Cute. Okay. Then we're going to hit save. Look at our car magnets. Very cute. Now I will go back to see if I could like make it smaller so that the whole thing could be Girl Plus Guide, or maybe I could make it like multiple Girl Plus Guides. But I just want to show you how easy it is to do this and create it. So I'm just going to select my mock-up and then show you how you can start selling and making money today. So you're going to select your mock-up, and you can download these and like put them on your Instagram, your Facebook, send them to your friends and family, and then you're going to hit that button. All right, so we already have a title because AI is already built into Printify. So you have your title. I would update that. Like I would take religious off. And then you have a description already built in. You can come in here, edit this as you want to. It's showing the product features. You can even let people personalize their own car magnets. And then every time you get a sale, this is showing you how much profit you will make. And you can adjust that as you want to. But Printify has it built in to kind of help you optimize it, because they're using data. They know who else is selling this product, how much they're selling it for, what the market is looking for, all that. and then you are done. You have created a cute car accessory that is in demand right now and that people are going to be buying. So where are we gonna sell it at? Let's connect a store. You can create a Printify pop-up store today. You can just hit the button, launch pop-up store, and you don't need a website or anything. Printify will actually pay you every month, so you don't have to use any of your own money up front to get started. And that means you can send your link off to your friends, your family, put it in your Facebook bio, your Instagram bio, and start making money literally immediately. You can also do the same thing in Etsy, Shopify, TikTok Shop, and Amazon. Like we talked about, all of those can get you your money right away. I usually get my car accessories from Etsy or Amazon, but truly right now people are buying them from everywhere. And now that I think about it, I'm like, okay, so my little stand is pink, this is pink, the pink, yeah, it's a thing. So you can create a brand like that just for women, like pink car accessories, or just have fun, right? Another business idea for you to help you make more money in 2026. Do you have any suggestions of things you want to learn about so that you can sell it from Printify? Let me know in the comments. And of course, if you have any questions about this product, you know I'm going to answer them in the comments. Let me know. I can't wait to see your new accessories brand, and I'll see you in the next video.